Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to buy Amazon gift card and send by email. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your favorite browser. And then just go ahead over to the URL box and type down amazon.com/gift hyphen or dash cards. Okay, again, amazon.com/gift dash cards. Hit on enter and then just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, make sure that you sign into your Amazon account. Once signed in, scroll through the templates or design. Let's say, for example, just the standard Amazon gift card design. Just click on it and then go ahead and select the logo. All right, so maybe just this one. Gift amount, how much? Maybe $200, $25, or a specific amount from here. So once that's done, deliver right here should be email. Now, go ahead and add in the recipient's exact email address. All right, make sure that you double check this carefully. Now, scroll down. Once that's done, go ahead and enter your gift message. Enter your name, which is required. For example, just Ryan. Deliver date now or the next day or whenever you want. Once that's done, scroll all the way up and then go ahead and click on buy now or add to cart, whatever you want, and just basically follow the payment process. And that's how easy it is to buy Amazon gift card and send by email. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.